Milwaukee Tool has expanded their line of mechanics tools with some new hex bits that are extended. This is their 6-inch extension. They also are going to have hex bits in low profile and standard. There's much more than what is on the table in front of me. They also have Torx bits that are extended, Torx bits that are going to be low profile. You're going to find that in non-safety and safety, and triple square bits. So you're going to find this set that is 3/8. It's going to go from M4 to M18. Pretty sweet setup. And one of the things that I really dig about this is that if you have any sort of hex bit or Torx bit that is an extended model and it just has the bit that comes into a round section in the back, you'll find that these twist a lot. And this model here does not have that type of flex. Now, if you're looking for different types, we have the standard end and also the ball socket end. So you can get in and twist in different directions and get a little bit more flexibility. So they're all there. Interestingly enough, these are made in Thailand with further processing in China. So they move around the world quite a bit before you get them. If you're looking at these, the pricing is all over the board. So you might be able to find this set of metric and this set of SAE for around $185, or you might find this set of SAE alone for $135. You really have to look at the pricing that's out there and try to put together what you're looking for to get a good deal. The Torx set here is something I wish I would have had a long time ago when we were working at Jeeps. It just really hits home as to everything you need to get into those tight places. Have something that's sturdy, even if you're taking something that is tiny, like this little T8. Look at the size of the extension that goes to that T8. You're not going to get that flex. You still can get in there, no issue, because the head's going to be that size. Pull whatever you need out, have the reach. It is just superb. The writing on this is going to be laser etched. It is actually etched inside here deep, so you can not only feel it but also see it. The chrome on here is great. They're going to come covered in an oil. I like how they have everything set up. You're going to have the etching on two sides, and the other two sides are going to be blank, and that's on most of the extended. If you get into any of the larger stuff, some of it has Milwaukee etched in on one side and then the size on the other two, along with the part number. Now, these all have a lifetime guarantee, and there is a code on the back of the box that you can just scan to request a new one if anything breaks. Pricing on these, I'm really interested in your comments, because some of this stuff, you might be able to go to different stores and pick up for less money with the same type of warranty, but I don't think you're getting the same quality. But again, I'd love to hear your comments on that. Some of this stuff is pretty basic, small, but one of the things that I looked at when I picked this up, these spin. Not used to having something that spins on some sort of socket organizer. And I think that's nice because you can pop this in at any angle that you'd like to, pop it off, and you don't have to line it up perfectly, get it on there. It seems to go on and off quite simply, which is something that I don't find on some of the lower end models out there that have the squares in them. The only thing that you might run across is that some of these are in different locations when you look for the sizing, but it's pretty simple. You just kind of twist them around till you see the size and it pops out. So that's a little different compared to what I'm used to, and that happens on the 3/8 models also. I like it. It's something that when I first seen it, I was like, "Ooh," but very quickly can you get used to that and actually enjoy just popping this in at any way that you like to, and it just fits. They all sit in here. Nothing's coming out. It works. As far as colors, Torx are going to be in red. That's going to be standard, but metric is going to be black. SAE is going to be red. You're going to find that across the board, even in their low profile models. So you can easily pick out who is who and organize when you're putting things back. It's pretty nice stuff, albeit a lot of money. And it's interesting, again, made in Thailand, further manufactured in China, and then brought back to us here. Lifetime warranty. Very interested in what you guys have to say about some of these new hand tools, and what do you think about the design with the 4 flat, and also going to be a little bit more sturdy when you're putting something on with these hex bits. You're not going to get that twisting. So as always, we'd love to hear your comments on some of this stuff. Give us a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'll try to keep you up with some of the new tools that are coming out, and also what's happening with some of our older tools that we've used for some periods of time. Thank you for your time, guys. Have a great day.